cars loaded up, dude. Skater die. All right, we're off. We're to Gatlinburg. Remember, our backs can't catch up to our elbows.
13, sir?
Check it out. Oh. What's that?
You're filming?
What's filming? Oh, filming, yes. We are on our way to Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Join us as we take a look at the Smokey Mountain Range.
If you get over here, lots of times you get stuck. Like, I'm not going to get stuck. I'm going to be able to pass all these people. The sandwiches hit different. 320. Look at how many places there are to
Start running your B-roll.
I'm just going to go get gas and then we'll go in.
Bucky's. Oh, it's right up my face. You know the drill.
I'm so excited to go see Bucky's.
We're lucky at Bucky's.
That's all, folks. Thank you for coming to Bucky's.
That's
Monday. ¿El baño? ¿Dónde está el baño? No sé por seguro, pero.
They told me if I wanted to get a job back here in the deli section, that when I get done, I could take home one of these all the barbecue sandwiches I wanted at the end of the shift. Well, y'all have a good day. Thank you now. Okay, we're just standing here eating out of your trunk.
Smoked brisket is very
That's pretty good.
Beaver chips.
Wow.
Homemade chips. Very good.
I'm just gonna have to kill him. Neat.
If it's part of that, or you know how.
The fireworks.
To the river. Ding-a-ding-ding-ding-ding-ding. What's
Tuck
that?
a lychee. Because it's not right in front of you.
Yeah.
So it doesn't sense anything.
Here's a regulation right here.
Down to Gatlinburg.
Maybe the scenic route is a little packed.
For about 17 miles, continue straight.
You're ducking, Adam. The trees aren't gonna hit you. If we see a barrel, stop. Well, it's kind of interesting. We've had a different day today.
Yeah, this is a nature day.
Yeah.
We're definitely gonna have to huff these. Oh, this is cool. We made it to Gatlinburg. Great town, super chill, very snow ski chalet style. Really packed full of people, it's a lot of fun. But what was even more fun was Bucky's, which you see in the video. You never been to a Bucky's? Gotta go to a Bucky's. It is the Walmart superstore of gas stations. Probably 100 pumps. Really great time. A lot of cool stuff in there. Fun people. Talked to a bunch of people, really nice people. And we ended up conversing with Rob, the manager. Now, the manager knew some information about us, about a secret way to Gatlinburg. Now, Gatlinburg, before Gatlinburg, is a town called Townsend. And it's a scenic route. And it follows the Little River. And that Little River is a huge recreational area. We were totally unaware about it, but it was great because everybody was out there in the river with, their swim trunks on, jumping in and having a good time with their inner tubes. and it was really interesting. So we headed in from Townsend into the little river from there, the back way into Gatlinburg, and the first thing that we get in, they say bear sighting. So this place is popular for having bear sightings. Now, right behind the hotel, down by the patio, there's a bear hanging out there. So we tried to go down and see them. Well, unfortunately, we didn't see the bear, but he was down there. We missed him probably about 2 minutes. We talked to a lady that was down there, and she just said he just left. He was in the bushes, and he was actually a pretty big sized bear. It wasn't a baby or anything. So that was interesting. And as you can see from some of this footage, it was a beautiful drive overall in between Gatlinburg and Townsend. Really, really cool area. So right now we have two things planned. We're going to go on a trolley ride downtown, and that's going to take us to some of the scenes parts. We're probably going to eat somewhere. Then at 10:30 tonight, 10:30, fireworks show. So we hope you enjoy it. Keep watching. Talk to you soon. They give you a buzzer?
Yeah, they're gonna text me.
Oh, cool.
I'm gonna give you some gum, bubba.
I'll go grab your copy.